Hello guys, we're playing Chaos mode. This is part 3 of the series. And oh, he's dancing. Okay, we're trying to beat Chaos mode with only these amount of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just started it already. Gunpoint. His name's Gunpoint. So I think he's this game. Sorry. Leaderboards. Get out, get out. Yeah. Oh, ow. This guy. Somebody already. I'm in the second leaderboard. Wow, so only Ow and me are the pros. Okay, he beat the game 4 times. To be honest. Oh, wow. Seven Bell, I'm in the leaderboard. What's it? Guys, I'll say. I will reward me. Me. Here. Sorry for the silence, but it's now about to start. Start. Doesn't here. So we skip right line. Okay, so let's see how much we have. 5 of us have here. What's the rich? How much? Oh, at least this king. And by the way, I have the lights at now. Lights on here. Okay. So technically, this camera can love soul. Okay, love soul is the camera. And right here, but he only comes in one. Sometimes you guys are quite safe, except in the moment. Yeah. Okay. Go. Let's start this shit. Somebody is here. What do you mean? Checking. We are checking or you want to die. he's coming. He's coming. He is. If bro dies, if bro's dead. Why are you doing nothing? No flash. No flash. No flash. Yes. You're useless. Useless. You're useless. You camera. You useless. You useless. You cameras. So, you died. Because of you, they died. Because of you, they died. I know, dude. I know. Because of you, they died. Oh my god, this isn't. One time. Incomplete video. Dumb.